Read fast, learn more. Online course that will change the way you read, remember and learn. While teaching and training CAs, students of professional courses and aspirants preparing for competitive exams, professionals and entrepreneurs during last 3 decades, I found the major challenges for the students in the process of learning are: 1. Very slow reading speed, i.e. around 250 words per minute. 2. Lack of focus, always worried about the task not in hand. 3. Lack of concentration, storm of thoughts always blowing away your mind. 4. Rowing practice for making notes, copying from book in notebook. 5. Feeling sleepy, no interest or loss of interest. 6. Poor memory, whatever you read, more than 90% information is lost within 24 hours. 7. Inability to recall, you very well know that you have the information but you cannot recall when required. 8. Ineffective presentation, best of the knowledge is useless if not presented properly. 9. Fear of failure, this is always topmost thought when preparing for any exam or competition or any other challenge. 10. Proper time management. 11. Rowing beliefs. 12. Distracting vague thoughts. 13. Rowing food habits. 14. Rowing sleep pattern. 15. Procrastination. 16. Rowing peer group. 17. Lack of consistency. 18. Attraction to shortcuts. 19. Inability to prioritize correctly, busy with easy. 20. More importance to valuables than values. 21. Fixed mindset versus flexibility. 22. Multitasking. 23. Active learning versus passive learning. 24. Long sitting versus Pomodoro. 25. Bad habits versus good habits. 26. Growing focus, focus on result instead of process. 27. Avoiding tests. 28. Only reading and no writing. These topics are never taught in the school, and because of that learning looks like a challenging task. Somehow people manage to retain information and pass the exam. Remember that knowledge is not the power. It is only potential power. It becomes superpower with learning. This program has been designed not only for reading, it covers every aspect from reading to learning. Actually, learning is like any other sport activity. Those who learn it systematically and practice consistently enjoy it as a sport and then excel in exams as well as their career. All these issues have been covered in this course. All contents are accessible for 1 year from the date of subscribing. In addition to existing contents, new contents are also added from time to time, and those will also be available to you without additional payment. List of contents. 1. Introduction. 2. Benefits of fast reading. 3. What you will learn in this course. 4. Assessment of current reading speed. 5. Your beliefs about reading. 6. Reading word by word. 7. Reading slowly and carefully. 8. Vocalization and sub-vocalization. 9. Object of reading. 10. Eye movement while reading. 11. Regression. 12. Use of pointer while reading. 13. Taking notes while reading. 14. How to read a book or chapter or an article. 15. Correct your beliefs about reading. 16. Reasons for slow reading speed. 17. Read paragraph with jumbled words. 18. Eye movement exercise. 19. Distraction test. 120. Alpha state and 21. Distraction test. 22. Goal setting. 23. Chunking exercise. 124. Chunking exercise. 2. 25. Chunking plus pointer exercise. 26. Chunking plus pointer plus humming exercise. 27. Chunking plus pointer plus humming plus turn the tongue exercise. 28. Chunking plus pointer plus humming plus turn the tongue exercise. 229. Panoramic vision exercises. 30. 7 exercises for homework. 31. Mind mapping. 32. Develop your memory. 33. Grow your focus. 34. Conclusion. There are many additional videos for personal growth. During the course you have to refer material which is sent to you in soft copy. By the time you finish this course, your speed and memory will grow by 100%, and with consistent practice for 21 weeks it can grow up to 500%. In addition to reading speed and memory, concepts taught in this course are equally applicable in every aspect of life. With more practice, you will get peace of mind, clarity of thought, improved concentration, fantastic memory, and productivity grows exponentially. To buy the online subscription of Read Fast Learn More, call on 8080420612 or click on the link given in description box.